Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个月啊，都在教大家怎么说好香哦。先教怎么说呢？
很香哦。
很香哦 ，That means smells great, smells good. You know， 很香哦。很多东西都会香，我们常常会聊到食物的东西啦，但是有时候擦乳液啊，擦一些东西，
味道也很香，
也会很香。对，那比如你被蚊子叮了擦一些
香茅，
香茅对，
蚊子怕那个味道
可以了Let's say you rubbed on some lotion or perfume or even medication sometimes after like an insect bite. It actually smells good, you know. So let's kind of put this scenario out here, and you can learn all the phrases. 好，第一个是被蚊子叮了，真的是很讨厌啊，很痒啊，对不对啊？我被蚊子咬了
啊，我本门呢掉到嘞。
啊，我本门呢掉到嘞，掉到嘞就是叮到了，OK， 掉到嘞 ，that means I got bitten， right？ 然后蚊子怎么说？
门呢？
然后被蚊子叮到之后啊，会开始痒，要止痒了，对不对？
对，我就借你一罐香茅油。
香茅油还不错 ，lemongrass is actually a good effective way of soothing your bite。这罐香茅油借你擦一下 ，Let me lend you my lemongrass。
牙膏，香茅油，姜搞一下
，that means I'll lend you， 然后搞一下 that means to smear it， yeah, to use it， OK。然后那个香茅油呢，我们叫 lemongrass 英文那哈卡是
香茅油
，OK。然后擦完了就觉得好香哦 ，It actually smells great after putting it on， yeah， 这味道好香。
亚希米很香哦，或者我们可以讲亚米头很香哦。
哎呦，亚米头很香哦，所以一个是米头，一个是
气味
气味跟味道，
对，擦起来的那个。
So there's two ways of saying it. Either it smells great or the fragrance smells good. 亚希米或亚米头很香哦。Very good. All right, let's review these phrases. 讨厌的蚊子还是要教一下。
门呢
That's a mosquito. And then 擦一下 to rub it on.
搞一下
And finally, the smell 味道。
希米或者可以说米头。
Okay, two ways of saying the smell of it. Okay, and it's all about how great it smells. 好香哦。
很香哦。
And there you have it, another practical Hakka edition here on ICRT.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.